Okay, so this is Iceland, and remember this object over here to the right? It's been there for probably over a year, and it's got movement. See it moving? Well, now it would seem that we have another one. And it's going to take me a second to get to it. Let me pan out a little bit. Makes it easier. Right there. The sky is changing, so it's getting a little bit lighter. And it also has movement. Look at that. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it. I mean, I can really see it moving. It's really light because it's getting brighter out the background, which kind of kills the effect. But it's got a buddy. So there's two of them now. What does this mean? I have no idea. None whatsoever. No, I don't. But there's two of them. Look at that. Okay, on to the next stop.